Hello friends, in this video now we will check like what is customize, which we can find in appearance. So how you can customize the theme, it depends on the theme. Like in customize, actually you can find different options, and it depends on the theme. Like in this theme we have these options, so you can see like there are different things like web page design. For example, if you click here, so site identity, logo, title, tagline, and site icon we can change from here. So if you click here, so site title, for example, like if you want to change this, you can see it will change live like this. So we can also change general design options, fonts, colors. Like if I open blog, and here we will see like this one. So the font, like set your website default font size and pixels. Normally it should be 16, but like here in this theme you can increase as well, you can see. So this one font, like font we can change, like Latin I have changed, or for example PT serif, like this one, or for instance Georgia. So fonts also we can change from here, this section. Website maximum width we can change. Box layout we can apply, this is wide layout. Primary color, like you can see this color and this color. Secondary, primary color, if you change for example this, you can see this color will change. And same like secondary color, if you change like like this one, so you can see this will change. So if like these things you want to change, now you can publish, and you can see like for example if you click blog, so you can see like these things has been changed. So like this we can do. And the next thing in customize, so it depends on the theme, as I told you. Social links, like if you want, so add new, like select a social icon. For example, I want to add Facebook, for example. So Facebook, and here I can write like my Facebook profile link. Right now I will type only Facebook. You can copy from there, or your page link also, so you can see it's appearing now here. So something like this. And icon, like color, you can also select, you can see. And then you can see like this one. If you want to add new, select a social icon. You can also search like Twitter, and Twitter, for example, here your profile link you will type, and I will type now Twitter website and add it. And Twitter, you can see it's like this. You want to change the color, you can change, for example like this one. So something like this we can apply. So if you publish this now, if you refresh here, so you can see social icons will appear here. So these things, like 3 things in web page design. Front page content, I showed you like in the previous video, like 1 column I made home, 1 column. So home is now 1 column, and your home page display a static page, home page is appearing instead of the blog. Same thing like main body design, you can see here. So sidebar design and mobile settings, sidebar background color, these all things you can change according to the theme. Thumbnail settings, thumbnail placeholder, thumbnail comment count also will appear like here, you can see. So comment count is appearing here. See this one, if you want to disable, you can disable, and it will see like this. So these small things. Footer design, for example, here you can see like footer we have 3 sections. So if you click and select 4 columns, so there will be like 4 columns. Footer background color you can change, for example at this one, so you can see it's changing. It's like this. And if you publish this one, so here you can see all rights reserved, like Omar 2019, all rights reserved. And you can publish this one. Now if you refresh, you can see like footer color is changed, and the thing 4 columns now with 4 widgets we can add in the footer. And then we have menus we set in the menu, you can also set from here. we discussed like in the second last video, I think. So you can see in this series we have menus, video, also advanced options like smooth scroll, mobile devices, additional CSS. We can apply additional CSS, for example body. If additional CSS, if I apply body and color like red, so if you check like this, inspect, you can see the class name like this is simple paragraph. Try with paragraph, like first of all paragraph, you can see color is red now. So we can also play with this. We can specify class names, and we can also play with additional CSS. Human admin settings, like you can also change about human page in the appearance admin menu. If you want, you can change. Mobile devices, like enable the mobile friendly layout, so mobile friendly layout will enable. So if you check in mobile device, like from here more tools and the developer tools, here you can see like this one, like if you click here more tools and developer tools, so you can see this is mobile friendly responsive website. So like this you can also enable from here. Mobile devices, smooth scroll, if you want like smooth scroll, you can see like this is smooth scroll, you can enable. If you disable, so this will be not smooth, like this is normal. See, you can feel the difference, like this is now smooth scroll. Search results, like include image in search results, you can include. And performance and SEO, use a minified style sheet and use structured data marker for your post. So this one we can do. So these things we can do, and there is these all things we can do. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video about the customize of the theme. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends, and also submit your comments. Share your comments, like what you feel about the video. Thank you very much once again.